I think the world is changing in such a fast pace, and we are living so many simultaneous disruptions that leadership is what can keep the teams together and really trying to find the answers for a world that is evolving and we don't know very well where it will take us. So in these times of uncertainty, leadership is key. I am the Global Communication and Brand Positioning Manager for Ingka IKEA, and I am here in the AMBA Conference as a member of the advisory board of Deusto, trying to bridge a little bit the practitioner point of view with the faculty one. And I think AMBA was born like that, from people that saw that there was a too big gap from the theory to the practice. No? So my aim is to do the same. Our leaders cannot be local anymore. We are in a global world. So they really need to open up, and therefore university needs to do that too. For complex concepts to land, you need to make them simple. And that's why I try to turn it into a recipe, because everybody knows about cooking, everybody knows about adding ingredients. It's not theoretical, it's how do you really lead. When you are leading a team, you're leading a business, and the world is just not cooperating with your plan. It's the real complexity of today's world, because that will get them ready once they are out. The world is not only ruled by financials. It is, of course, the foundation. But we have a responsibility also as leaders because we have big challenges in the world. When you think about ethics and when you think about climate, we have really big problems to solve, and we will not solve it if we think only financially. We need to think value impact holistically. I think the best is to make sure that you equip your leaders because they need to shape the future, whatever it looks like. So it's critical thinking, it's ethical criteria, it's everything that they will be able to apply no matter what the environment looks like. I'm now applying to a new course. It's the new reality. To graduate from university is not an ending, it's a beginning.